So today we're out here in Orange. Homeowner wanted to replace his old wooden door that's been there for about 30 years and replace it with something a little more stylish, a little more modern. So our team was on it right away. We're installing this full view glass door by Elegant. It comes in powder coated white with white laminate windows. Yeah! So, as we're finishing everything up, getting the last panel in, now it's all done. We also installed both LiftMasters, 87504, 3/4 horsepower, so it's a little bit quieter and a little bit stronger. Here's how it looks from the outside. If your garage door is in need of an upgrade, or you just want to maybe give it a new look, give us a call. Alliant Garage Door, here when you need us.